you're biting your tongue. You've spent a lifetime stuck in silence. You'll say something wrong if no one ever hears it. How we gonna learn your song? Come on, come on, come on, come on. You've got a heart as loud as lions, so I let your voice be tamed. Baby, we're a little different, there's no need to be ashamed. You've got the light to fight the shadows, stop hiding it away. Come on, come on. I wanna sing, I wanna shout, I wanna scream till the words dry out. So put it in all of the papers, I'm not afraid. They can read all about it, read all about it. No, oh, 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 oh. At night we're waking up the neighbors while we sing away the blues, making sure that we remembered, yeah, 'cause we all matter too. If the truth has been forbidden, then we're breaking all the rules. Come on, come on, come on, come on, let's get the TV and the radio to play your tune again. It's about time we got some airplay for our version of events. There's no need to be